Hello friends, in today's video we'll be making neck stoles. Neck stoles are perfect for different forms of occasion, and I mentioned making it in a previous video and some of you guys asked me to share a tutorial. So if you're interested in knowing how to make a neck stole for any occasion or for any reason, please make sure you watch this video to the end, subscribe, like, share, and all that good stuff. Alright guys, let's get straight into today's tutorial. The first thing you need is your fabric of choice. I'm working with this Duchess satin. You need your tailoring chalk. You also need your tassel or your fringe. What I'm going to do now is to cut out my fabric. My fabric is already cut out. It's about 35 inches by 10 inches. Okay, it's 10 inches wide and 35 inches long. The next thing I'm going to do now is to try and secure the tassel in between the fabric. Okay, I found that after doing this, sewing was a bit difficult because the tassel in between kept moving around and all of that. So I had to basically figure out a way to secure the tassel on the stole in another manner. So what I did was I first of all sewed this fabric along the length from the top to the bottom, okay? And right after doing that, I turned the fabric inside out. What I'm doing here is I'm just pinning my fabric, okay, to ensure that, I have precision while sewing. So after pinning all the way to the end, I went ahead to sew along the length on half of an inch. Right after sewing all the way to the end, I turned my fabric inside out. After turning inside out, I tucked in the edge just as you can see on your screen. And what I did was I inserted my tassel in between that little space right there. The tassel is about 4.5 inches wide. So I just found a way to just secure it nicely in between the fabric, and what I did was I went ahead to sew it to secure it in place. You're sewing as close to the edge as possible, okay, and try to make your stitches neat. So right after sewing, you insert the second piece of tassel or fringe, whatever you choose to call it, to the other end of your neck stole and also secure. Once that is done, your stole is ready. The length of your stole can vary according to whatever length you are choosing to work with. I decided to work with 45 inches because that is what my client requested. That is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Okay, this is the end result of my own stole. Like I said, I wanted it to be 45 inches long as requested. If you enjoyed watching, please be sure to smash the subscribe button, like the video, share with your friends, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.